In today's video, we're going to make our own toothpaste and learn why you need to know how to make this fantastic do-it-yourself product for your home. Please like, share, and subscribe. Why make your own? Well, this recipe not only contains ingredients that promote clean teeth and overall good oral health, but is also antibacterial, supporting against toothaches and cavities. But more importantly, the ingredients are natural and don't contain the added toxins that can be found in many manufactured toothpastes. And of course, making your own can be easier on the pocketbook. All right, let's get to it. We need 1 4-ounce glass mason jar, 4 ounces of coconut oil. Coconut oil is an antioxidant, antifungal, and absorbs quickly. 3 ounces of baking soda. Baking soda is antibacterial, antifungal, and supports against inflammation. Essential oils I like to use is 20 drops of clove bud essential oil, 20 drops of peppermint essential oil. Clove bud essential oil is antibacterial, antifungal, and supports against tooth pain. Peppermint essential oil also supports against inflammation and is antibacterial. Combine coconut oil and baking soda in a bowl and mix well. Then add clove bud and peppermint essential oils. Stir vigorously. Place mixture in a 4-ounce glass jar. It's just that easy. Here's the recipe if you'd like a screenshot. Store in a cool, dry place. Thanks for watching, and remember, subscribe, comment, and ring that bell for more wellness content at The Essential Journey, restoring the mind, body, and home with the power of nature.